Nothing lives forever. And that includes your commercial or home septic system. The average septic system lifespan varies, lasting anywhere from 20 to 40 years. The lifespan of a septic system can vary widely depending on several factors. Some systems may fail earlier, while others can last longer if properly maintained. Factors that influence septic longevity: system type. Conventional septic systems tend to last 20 to 30 years. Other more complex systems may have a shorter lifespan due to their mechanical or unique components. Material of the tank. Septic tanks can be made from concrete, fiberglass, or plastic. Concrete tanks have a longer lifespan, up to 40 years, than fiberglass or plastic tanks. Soil and drain field conditions. Poorly draining soils like clay can lead to system failure sooner. Household size and water usage. Larger households that use more water or dispose of waste improperly can shorten your septic's lifespan. Signs your septic system is aging. Some common indicators that your septic system may be nearing its end are slow drains, frequent backups, standing water or wet spots, unpleasant odors, lush, green grass near the drain field, and a system that's 20+ years old. A well-maintained septic system can provide decades of reliable service, but even the best systems eventually wear out. For those in the Central Florida area, Advanced Septic Services of Florida is here to help. Call us today at 352-242-6100.